welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get your post ID that you can use in your Facebook advertisement. Without further ado, let's get started. All you are going to do is log into business.facebook.com and go to all to. Make sure you locate page post, that is it here. Tap on it, and at this point your two-factor authentication will be sent to you. A code will be sent to your number. Okay, now a code is sent to my number. I'm going to enter that code before they can give me access to the page post. So I will enter the number now. I have 520. Then I'm going to click confirm, and once it is marked green, it means the code is correct. Right now, if you are able to see this page, it means you are good to go. So I'm going to tap on this drop down and click on that particular business. Okay, ensure you click on, select the particular business you are working on, and when you have selected the right business, you will see add post here. Select add post. Okay, if you select the add post, you see some of the posts here. Now you see some of these posts. I need to select the particular page I am working with. So click on this drop down and you see all your pages there. So ensure you go to the right page. Okay, go to the right page. Okay, let's say I want to work with this particular page. Okay, this is the page. If I want to work with that page, you select that page. Okay, then these are the add posts. Now there are so many add posts here. You need to get the particular one you are looking for. For you to be able to get a particular one you are looking for, you can open a new tab, and from the new tab, go to business.facebook.com and go to all tools, go to ad manager, and go to that particular ad account. The reason you are seeing all this is that I have so many ad accounts, but if you are just starting afresh, if you are just starting, you may not have too many ad accounts. Okay, but for me, I have so many ad accounts, and that is why you are seeing all these. So I will locate that account. Okay, here is the account I want to use. Okay, so now you can now locate that particular ad post that is giving you a lot of engagement. If, for instance, I open this ad, if you look at it, this is the ad that I have generated some result recently. Okay, so let me open this campaign. I open this campaign, and this is the ad set level. I open the ad set level, and now I am on the ads. So I go to the one that is generating results. If you look at it, of all this ad, this is the one that is generating most of the results. Okay, so I'm going to select it and click preview. Then once I click on preview, the ad is actually a video. I want to go to this icon and then I am going to click post, Facebook post with comments. Click on this, it will take you to that post. Please ensure you follow me carefully so that you don't make mistake. You can see that the post have generated 6,600 likes and 349 comments, 362,000 views. This is a lot of engagement and we don't want to miss this because this is what is going to give us a lot of results. With this, people get to trust you that this business is authentic. People are enjoying this. That is why they are liking it. Okay, now what you do next is go to the date. Look at the date. September 23, 2023. That was the month, the date, and the year. Now look at the time. The time is, it was posted at 6:06 p.m. Please take note of these parameters, especially the date, the day, the year, and the time. Make sure you get it in your head. Okay, so when you have gotten all that in your head, you can now go back to the post and you are going to check through. If you check all this one now, this one is July 2024. Okay, so you are going to look for the date here and make sure you take your time. I can't get the date now because it is far, because all you are seeing here is July 1st, 2024. Before I can see that particular post now, I have to take a lot of my time. So I will not bother to do all that now, but I will show you what to do. If you are able to locate the post, all you need to do is highlight like this. Just highlight. You may not be able to copy only the post ID. Copy it from the left to the right, and if you copy it, then go and paste it in your notepad. Paste in your notepad, and if you paste in your notepad, if you look at all the things you have pasted in your notepad, you see that the title is there, the description is there, so many things are there. But what we are looking for is the post ID, and this is the post ID. Okay, so copy the post ID. Let's assume you want to create a new ad. Okay, assuming I want to create a new ad now, let me use this as an example for you guys. I am already at the ad level. Make sure you are on the ad level. You can see I am on the ad level now, and I can click on create, or I duplicate the existing one. This is an existing one, so assuming I duplicate this particular one, let me duplicate this one and click duplicate. Okay, so if I click on the duplicate, I give it a name. It can be any name. The name you give it doesn't matter, but the name I usually give my own is such that I'll be able to identify which particular video I use there, so that if I just see the name, I will know the video I use or the image I use, whatever. Just the name should describe what the ad is all about a bit. Okay, let me close all this. All right, so everything is set. Make sure the Facebook page you are using is selected. the Instagram you are using is selected, and at this point where you see add setup, click on this drop down, select use existing posts. Okay, so you are going to select use existing posts, and if you go down you will now see enter post ID. Then you are going to click on Ctrl V to paste that post ID. Then you are going to check this. The moment I check this now, you see it will load. Can you see? And when it load, it will load with all the engagements. That is the beautiful part of this. It will come with all the engagements. That is the reason we are using this post ID. I hope this video helps you. If it does, don't forget to give me a video testimonial. See you in the next video. Bye.